Let's see how to create a new project on the iLeno Codesign platform. The first thing we do is select the material, which actually refers to the colors. We can choose as many colors as we like, and we can always come back to this screen to add or remove colors as needed. We click Continue, and now we enter the important project details. Select the size of the fringe, short or long, and modify it as we need, for example, by indicating that we want the fringes to be longer. We can also add a brief message for the artisan, providing instructions or information about our design. Next, we select the size of the project, which in our case will be 150 centimeters by 100, or the other way around, depending on our preference. Then, we launch the Codesign tool and start drawing. Here we have our loom. If we want, we can view the whole design by zooming out, or we can zoom in to draw more precisely. At this stage, we are weaving the design. I'm doing it quickly just as an example, but you could take your time and work on it line by line. If you wish, you can change the color and modify it as you like, or use the eraser. We have different types of stitches for weaving in the simplest way, and we also have the embroidery option. Here you can see the short fringe option, and you can also select the long fringe. Additionally, you can adjust the zoom to view your design either closer or farther away. It's very important to keep saving your project frequently. If you don't save it, you will lose your work because these designs are not stored on the server. The page is not connected to the server, so you must download the project to your computer in JSON format. This file is only compatible with this tool. If you open it on your computer, you'll see a series of unreadable characters. If you want to download an image of the project, you can also do that. It might take a bit of time to download, and it will save like any other image file on your device or browser, depending on how each one works. The image is just a visual reference, but the most important thing is to always save the file in JSON format. If you need to add or modify colors, you'll have to close the tool, go to the Materials section, and select the new colors. Then, return to the drawing area, relaunch the tool, and continue with the new colors. Once the project is finished, you can close it and send it for printing. The design will be divided into several A4 pages for easy printing. If you want to reopen a saved project to continue working on it, simply select the option to open a project, find your design, select it, and click Continue to relaunch it. This way, you can keep working on the design you had previously created. It's very important to save your project each time you make a modification, or you risk losing it. This is crucial. My recommendation is to take some time at the beginning to play around with the tool and see if you can handle it well. If you have any doubts or issues, feel free to write to me. Once you are sure of how it works, you can begin creating your final design. Let me know if you need any further adjustments.